Holy smoke, guys, welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. Today we are pike fishing once again. I got a situation here. Most of my baits are dead because I kept them inside a house, and you know, when you bring them outside, I took a dump of the lake water till I mix it in with the temperature. I think they went to shock. I think they're dead. My mistake. I knew not to do that. I don't know why I did it, but I did it. I don't know. But anyways, we got 2 suckers out right now. Hopefully something picks it up. Got 2 lines, and I'm gonna jig one. I thought I brought my 3rd board to do some, like, basically waiting out for pike, but that 3rd board is at home on my table. I don't have much to say. Hopefully we run into a pike or 2 and let's do some fishing. I am really excited. I know I don't look like it, but I am, because I'm just trying to stay quiet. So with that being said, I'll see you guys out in the water. Dude, I just dropped this one back down. I think somebody's got it. It's not spinning. Got him. Got him. Yes. Oh no! It popped off! Ah! The hook got caught on the freaking... Dang! The hook got caught on the ice. Shit! Damn, dude, what the hell? That was fast as heck. The hook got caught on the ice. It's okay. At least you know there's pike here. What the heck? All right, so while the flags are out there waiting, we're gonna try to warm up some crappies. Let me show you guys here. The crappies I caught the other day, and we're gonna start cooking. But overall, we're just gonna chill and fish. All right, so the heat is on. We gotta defrost these guys. Let me punch a hole down here so it can drip, you know. Should stay just like that, okay? I know it's a little foggy in here, but you guys know what I'm talking about. All right, there you go. So there it is. Thawing out crappies while we wait. All right, let's see what we got down here. We do need some panfish action because all our baits are dead. I mean, we have like 2 left. These 2 suckers are my only hope. Got to keep it in there. Oh, we got a little guy coming up. No, they're just little, what do you call it? Little perch. Something bumped it. So right now we are thawing out the crappie, okay? You guys see that right there? See if we can focus. There we go. Thawing out the crappie. We got the heater running. Heat rises. Slowly I poke the hole right here. So slowly the, you know, slime and stuff will drip down onto the bottom. And yeah, we're gonna get cooking. This video is a catch and cook on the ice, hanging out, relaxing, enjoying the beautiful mother nature. It is beautiful out today, and ice is thick. We got about like 6-7 inches, so I love it. There are some soft spots, so please be careful you come out here. And in general, please be careful when you go out on the ice, because it hasn't been single digit. It's been really warm out. You can say 20 to 30s, so there are soft spots on ice, so take precaution when you come out. So yeah, let's get cooking. Start cooking. Good old stove. Nice. Alright, see. I brought the Cajun step. Goes real well with just about everything. Don't you fry that. I brought a tong this time, dude. But you know what's funny? I didn't bring no plates. Okay, it works. All we need to know. We're gonna rinse the fish first and then we'll get cooking. Look at this big old slab. We'll cook you first. I might have to cook the little ones, but I don't know. I want to eat the big one first, so. Take this guy out. So we are cooking on the ice. Man, look at that. I don't need this thing so bad. I know I brought some water bottles, so I'm gonna rinse it. Definitely not with lake water. I'm gonna cut it in half so it can fit in the pot, you know. There we go. Just gonna have my cut bait. No, I was kidding. Cut that in half. Just rinsing the fish here. Alright. Okie dokie. We got some napkins. We're gonna dry them up. Just because keep an eye on these flags, just in case it goes off. In goes the oil. Don't worry, I do have a water bottle to pour the remaining oil in there. Hold on, guys. Hold on, cooking. Let me see if it's ready. Oh yeah, it's ready. Ooh, that's hot. That's real hot. I'm just gonna lift it up. Now we know that looks delicious, man. Woo! Can't wait. Excited. The only thing is, I didn't bring a plate, which is okay. We'll improvise. Put it on the towel or something, you know. Go. I'm gonna wipe this guy down. Let's see. Just to kill any bacteria, you know. Like that. Drip it all up. Let it drip. And then we let it rest. Yep, let it rest. And it goes. Here it goes. Oh yeah. Ah, I do have a plate. Got a Power Ranger plate, bro. Yeah. Man, I love this part. Check my flags real quick, but we got ourselves deep fry crappie right there. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful that is. Crispy. I got the other half making right there. So I'm just keeping my eyes on these flags. We're gonna do a little taste test. I'm sure it's good, man. It's always good. We start off with the lips. Eat the whole thing. Eat the whole thing. That's so good. Wow. Eat the back part right there. Man, that's good. That's real good. Just absolutely lovely. Ha ha ha. Let me put it on a plate real quick. So crunchy. Look at that. I'll pick it out for you guys. Look. That's the eyeball right there. Yeah. Here's the other eyeball right here. Right there. So good. Meat. Yeah. The rib cage. Gotta hide my face. The rib, the chest, the fins. So good. This is the gills right here, the gill plate. It's just something about eating on the ice, just so good. There's the body piece to it. Yeah, nothing but a leftover carcass, right? Like the bones. But look at this right here. That's the body piece. Ooh, I'm excited. Let me try to get you guys on a good view here. Yep, that's what I'm talking about right there. Oh my gosh. The body piece is even better. Look at this right here. That's good. Delicious. The only part of the fish that you can't really like eat, depending the size of the fish, right, is this part right here. It's the bones right there. Okay. You don't want to get that stuck in your throat. Basically the middle section, the spine, all the way back to the tail. Like again, depending on the size of the fish and depending how long you cook it, right? So we're just gonna weigh it out, see what happens. Oh my god, look how tiny this is. Oh. See guys. No skunk. We got a little itty bitty perch. This is what I've been dealing with, guys. Look. So tiny. Man. Super small fish. Oh my gosh. I think that's it, guys. Today it was just terrible. I mean, I hope you guys enjoy the catch and cook. Not really catch and cook, but cook on the ice. I was hoping for one of these flakes to go up so I get a pike or a walleye or something for you guys, but it looks like everybody's been hole hopping, moving around, leaving, coming. Fishing's just really slow right now, so that sucks. It is what it is. And super tiny perch. Caught like 5 of them. They're not even like, just no point in me putting in the video because they're so small, you know. So that's it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time.